What if humanity wasn't born, but built? Ancient Sumerian texts speak of gods, the Anunnaki, who came not from myth, but from the stars. And their mission wasn't conquest. It was something far stranger. They came for gold. The Anunnaki were powerful beings described in the oldest writing on Earth, Sumerian cuneiform. They were the ones who came from the heavens to Earth. But these weren't just symbolic gods. Some researchers believe they were real. Visitors from a planet called Nibiru, a world on a 3,600-year orbit through our solar system. Sitchin and others believe Nibiru's atmosphere was dying. To save it, the Anunnaki needed gold particles to mirror radiation from the sun. They found Earth rich in gold, but mining it was hard. So they did the unthinkable. They created a labor force. They took primitive early humans and spliced their DNA with their own. This wasn't just experimentation. It was genetic craftsmanship. Sumerian tablets describe the creation of humans in almost clinical detail. A being formed in clay, shaped by the gods, and brought to life in a sacred chamber. These creation chambers sound eerily like ancient labs. The chief scientist, Enki, along with the goddess Ninhursag, played a central role. They were said to have mixed the essence of the gods with that of man. This fusion resulted in the first Adamu, a prototype human designed for obedience and strength. He was created to work the mines in Africa, specifically in a region today known as Zimbabwe, where ruins of ancient gold mines still baffle archaeologists. The texts mention failed attempts too. Hybrids that were sterile, aggressive, or unstable. Eventually, they succeeded, and we were born. But something else was passed down. The Anunnaki, intentionally or not, gave us curiosity, ambition, a hunger for knowledge. Some believe they also encoded messages in our biology, a kind of cosmic fingerprint. Ancient myth speaks of the me, tablets of destiny, etched with universal laws, mathematics, and technologies. Could some of this be buried in our own genetic code? We were taught farming, writing, law, and astronomy, knowledge that seems too advanced to appear overnight. And then, as suddenly as they arrived, the Anunnaki left, but something happened. We awoke. We learned. We questioned. Ancient texts like the Enuma Elish tell this story, long before modern science ever dreamed it possible. And this isn't just Sumer. Every ancient culture tells a similar story. Gods descending from the sky, teaching man, then vanishing. From Egypt to India, the Maya, and even the Bible. Some believe the Anunnaki were the biblical Nephilim, giants from the heavens. Modern science says we've evolved. But what if there's a missing chapter? One erased from history, but preserved in clay, stone, and myth? Were we engineered by visitors from another world? And if so, why are they hiding the truth?